Hey guys, there's a little PS at the end of this video, and the PS is that I finished all of these little embellishments and I ended up putting a doily on all of them, and I wanted to come back and show them to you because I'm super pleased with how they came out. So there's this one, and I used handmade doilies. These ones are, but you can use any kind of doilies. These ones were made by either Helen Lockwood or Wendy Hatfield. I'm not sure which lady made them, but I know that a lot of these came from Helen and some of them came from Wendy. So thank you for your talents, ladies. And there we are with this one that says Wild One, and I also used this little crocheted piece here. I had to cut that string off. So there's that one. And then there's our fancy lady there that we saw in the video. And then this one is super cute. I love how it came out. It's just some feathers, and I put it on like a dusty pink doily, and then I used one of the little crocheted mirror flowers I got on eBay, and it's just got some nice fibers sort of dangling here. And then here is the little Wild and Free one, and this was just a little bit of hand sewing and glue. I sewed on some beads at the top, and I did glue and sew some of the trim around the image there. So there's that one. And then here's our little mermaid, and she's on a doily. Added a flower and another one of those little mirror things, and of course the little crown that I showed you. And then this is the dream catcher with the beads and the fibers. And then I just finished this one, and I really like this one, how it came out. I had these little silver beads in my stash, so I just sewed them on the bottom there onto the Gypsy, and I've got a tiny little peach colored doily there, a white one in the background, and then this is a little metal heart and a little bead cap, little purple flower there. So super cute. And then last but not least is our Gypsy, and there she is. So I'm going to have still shots at the end of this now because I'm going to be splicing this video together. So I hope that you guys really like these and you'll give them a shot. I love them. I'm happy with how they came out, and they're going to be fun to add to my project. So thanks for watching, everybody. And that's it for now, really. Bye-bye.